hard. So, like the first time I had lace skin.
Do it again. You didn't get any. Let him get them. Connor, are you getting your brother with bubbles?
Okay.
Connor, can you share? Let Kaden try. We can go get you one tomorrow if you want.
Where's the
Walmart. Wait, Connor. Here, Kaden, hurry and try. Look, Connor, Kaden's gonna get you. Oh, not straighten his face.
Oh, yeah.
One more. Okay, let Connor do it again. We'll get you one tomorrow, buddy. They have bigger ones too.
Well, I want the biggest
Like that.
one to it. Huh?
That one's Robbie's, but I couldn't make it work.
Huh, mine's if I dump